Agradaa, look at my face. I'm telling you today. Say we your bar. Sabono ko fine. Ewo we space no so na hade.
Me mam good morning. Me diane no ko fine, no ko tantalizer, no ko alarm shake. Agradaa pa mo me yiri din se no ko fine. Wa go fa me yiri din ye registered ye ne trademark. Se no ko fa Hopeson o wa ye. Fio ko pa betena.
Enti Agradaa no Hopeson Adorye beef no na ka benim se I end long time. Said there was long time ago in Bethlehem. Na ka benim se Hopeson Adorye no Agradaa beef no busia. I end long time. But Hopeson Adorye I na just say all my beef we entwamu nko freeze. I was about the jako enya no kwa. Edi se am no kese the Hopeson Adorye asa betumu nchene. Said odin ka be board threat esa Agradaa be ma wo mo ni dan Agradaa be board di no. Hopeson Adorye asa ko board threat view. I'm Agradaa, woman Gaddafi, American Assembly. As I have a man reply, and Yasim Kuma, a high Penyah media. Message said him. Over like video no other room, over subscribe button, never click notification on the latest update. Now better the watching their mammy. Ever comments as she was Baswa. Now she will not answer and be ashy. Ever since I medium feed the dollar man, or that issue air pop up on the internet, I've been following the news closely and I'll be giving you updates back to back. Others until you are well equipped as to what is happening on grounds. Since then, no. Semidian fee is out of the market because Mahama Ebeka is what in the Bonya channel. Since then, Semidian fee dima story movie or my training be, but Agradaa has managed to stay in the trend. Nina Hopeson Adorye beef or in Penyah. Assemble out of nowhere. And I Hopeson Adorye got TV XYZ and then you call to be money Agradaa and I about threat. As Agradaa a bear mount or Omebuni Bini, Hopeson Adorye and Adorye Empress Gifty didn't know in a term.
Our present government. Na wo hu Agradaa so obel na wo gina ho na wo chia okeke ese mahama pam. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Wo hear attention keke sadi no kokoye no eye bo apayo hey wa dimatem wa dimi that can be decided semimu no. I'm going to dare her wo pa free no ekoi one more Hopeson and one more Adorye Empress Gifty. Remember that damn woman. No what the 800 no abred back. Almost stopping. And this boys monkote ho odu ha bombono.
Or go through this particular challenge. And Agradaa say, oh, challenge accepted. What I say?
We are appointee our present government. Now we Agradaa so obel na wo gina ho. Na wo chia okeke ense mahama pam. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Now, hear attention, keke. Sadi no kokoye. Aye bo abayo. Hey, wa dimi that can be decided semimu. I'm going to dare her.
Hopeson Adorye, we ye Jimmy for. Hopeson Adorye, mini wanu. Hopeson Adorye, o ma me check. Hopeson Adorye, we ye kramai. Hopeson Adorye, we ye jejenchie. Hopeson Adorye, me nigu wanu pe. Me tagu so. Me di me nasim pabwa. Me di chwenim. Hopeson Adorye, we ye Kwasea. Se ubo me din. Edi matem. Ewie. Ema me warning. Me timi baby. Na me cow. Na wo bebo me din. Edi matem. Na wa wie abeka kire me se me po di abemi ache me. Hopeson Adorye me ni wonum me enche me. Hopeson Adorye wo ma me che me enche me. Hopeson Adorye wonum kan me enche me. Hopeson Adorye omotu mu kan me enche me. Hopeson Adorye wo ya boa me enche me. Hopeson Adorye when you fee me enche me. Hopeson Adorye wo kwati awuo me enche me. Wo ya boa wo ya Kwasea. We ye chimifo, we ye jegenchie, we your kramai. So when to me a me ancheme. Na kramai ne di woma me, wono, Hopeson Adorye. We ye chimifo penny Kwasea, penny jegenchie, penny awa mobra, penny awa nifo wenu, penny awa chimie, penny awa didi awa no monquine, penny awa foutin to swiyaso. Jawa yere Kwasea penny, ho, ebedi matem. Eje attrate me, send me bolding, obami ache me, Hopeson Adorye, o ma me che, me anche me, Hopeson Adorye watadie mu fi me ancheme Hopeson Adorye me ni pini egu wonum me ancheme Hopeson Adorye me jonso gu wonum kata me ancheme Kwasea mpani papa panimu abrabo abiti kasa ni yanko na me reply kasa ni yanko Hopeson Adorye Empress Gifty my body Hopeson Adorye Jimmy Kwasea mpani dwedwenchie kramai edini ma me de wo no na wachimie na woni mu nyansa na wode na no tutu pinimu
challenge accepted. And then from there, no day, Agradaa ye videos and kasa were dropping more than 30 videos. I've been checking her, TikTok page, and Agradaa have been drawing videos back to back. Watch it with woman Gaddafi. Onko kunu ngukoda, okobi odimkunim. Watch it say Hopeson Adorye Edibancha bebongu. Agradaa dropping videos and kasa back to back. Hot warm up, hard one. Ewo Hopeson Adorye say when I say Hopeson. It can be Emma no crown, heat no crown. Ekofa, Empress Gifty, Hopeson Adorye no. Ebi kofa na ho. Now about 2 days ago, Anna Agradaa esabed obey another video. Anna we say Hopeson Adorye ne wife Empress Gifty. Ne trademark no ko fine. Anna Agradaa say Hopeson Adorye wife Empress Gifty crown. Why that no ko fine that na soka. That is a gazetted no ko fine. Oh no, that so kwa. That art in waje friends no onye no ko fine. What I say? Waje that art in friends so all can dance in same way Abrana otine kemu. Na emu na Hopeson ezakwatena TVXYZ hobby. Enra Tuesday. Okwatena TVXYZ so. Eno zakobo another threat. Already we didn't have about threat o mebo odini. Because obodi abechina to be mana dem. Wa mebo dey do what went man china. Enra wasakwatena so. That no ko fine na Agradaa can just na yiri trademark na Agradaa didi agro. Agradaa say bema on some can no ko fine bi mi ahwade.
I'm not into insult competition. So
you're matured.
I am into intellectual competition.
Fantastic.
Now people who know the way forward.
Smoothness level.
Yes. And then Mami bi say me pa me money din Agra. Men kan Agra keke Agradaa. Wasa kwa kofa meyire ni trademark no ko fine. Say no or ye gazetted no ko fine. Agradaa, look at my face. I'm telling you today. Say we your bar. Sabo no ko fine. Ewo u space no so na hade. Me say Agradaa tie me. Say we your bar pa. Sabo no ko fine. Ewo o platform no so. The shadi wo kromati.
I don't know Agradaa.
Na me any problem. Last year by near ka can say
good boy.
Samiasem. Ana wo ka say wo beko wo de camera be do achi no akotwa video na de abeto abontia mo bia hu say wo do sika ko na me say ndisifo monko gu ho ba mo hwe no.
No kwa ma otwesan.
Wo ma me twesan but one dey say na statement of fact. Ya kan e ho na twam.
Ma otwesan.
Ade cheye no o ye 30 videos insulting me and my wife. Na me no
but what
your
wife got
can me catch they say or your bar wonye obehwade no enye insult o enye insult competition here go. I would not do that. Me yes I just say me Jimmy for what we dey no
I don't think be so ana
me say krom ha obi abebody say mama me Hopeson wo da bunya botre boko Agradaa me say ene eye 1 week pepe me the friend to abontinti me sure so wo hwe se wo ye oba pa se de okasa wo ye oba na but no ko fine e wo platform no so biom na hade memu wo hu se oti na ye koto no hwe nim
so we dey oba entifache
me ni oba tem
mayo mu
me ni oba tem sabe me nye Jimmy for enye Kwasea na tete me papa no ye police ni na ne afi na ne abie what team yi etino a teacher ni machra what be say me na me adwuma bi na etua me 400 obi a machra de 20 years answer me free classroom 2009
Kotra Germany
about so de teno etua de ayibia say ni ho but I am telling her say me say oye obapa Adeɛ da ne nan mu a ɔmmɔ no ko fine ɛwɔ the platform so obehu bibi okrom ase
Evesio.
Hope so I go through this challenge enra e wo TV XYZ the whole bi and Agradaa na Hope in crowd dey assembly o through challenge bi a me ba be accept and ka wo be fa bibi bla na yen to so I go through another challenge Agradaa so any challenge accepted peacefully.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Men kana grakeke Agradaa wasa kwakofa meyire ni trademark no ko fine say enono or ye gazetted no ko fine. Agradaa, look at my face. I'm telling you today say we your bar sabo no ko fine awo space no so na kare.
Me mam good morning. Me diane no ko fine, no ko tantalizer. No ko alarm shake, no ko pressure, no ko you go explain tire, no ko Hopeson, oh yere. Agradaa pa mo me yiri din se no ko fine. Wa go fa me yiri din aye registered aye ni trademark se no ko fine. Hopeson, oh yere. Fio ko pe betena. Fio Jimmy ko. Come free ni paso ya soro no patutu to ayentwi ya se afi ni asore me kwafa me fo akotia e na wo pa bomi din me yiri din Kwasea sa na akotena radio SYZ baby akotena ho no sa na akotena ho e na Agradaa pa omo mimi o say dey e na ma bu astripi naked Kwasea go and take care of your son we ya bua upon and some me catch the nyina won't me fa me go baby you can't do me anything wo yire edin ededen no ko fine. Me pacho, the no fine has been gazetted for me. Me dear the Reverend Mrs. Siama, aka no fine, no sweets, no tantalizer, no pressure. E be my trauma. Oh ya bua my body ni yani obeye. Ya di obeye. Kwasea. Me ka se ni tia. Mude.
Me say Agradaa TV.
Me tie.
We your papa. Sabo
no fine, no tantalizer, no alarm shake, no pressure, no Hopeson go cry tire. That na wo wire. Wo Hopeson, wo wire. Ayi de be na aka na asem no. Ayi de be. The one ne wo mani mi enu no. Ana oba na one ne wo abamu ana wa nhwe no no. Ayi de be na oka no. Emu de wen. Wo wire. Do you have a wife? Quite got a cock meet you. Oh, my boy, Hope say my boy, but say my boy, no go fine, my boy, no go fine. Hey, if I'll Jimmy, I didn't make a no casa. Come on, to free Kwasea. What's not crowing with Jimmy? Where's your boss? Where's your master? Don't come and throw this and kwala challenge to me Agradaa. Because I'm yet to be general TV so ebe bo no ko fine bi. Me say me ye no ko pressure. Me ye no ko fine. Me ye no ko tantalizer. Hopeson, the obeye na ye. The obeye no. Just do it for me. Do something for me to know. Hopeson, do something. You are a man. And then obeye. Yet kremu na betsa unnim na bo me dia. Mema police at show my police bet me up to now. And I don't know what are you going to do to me? Ubekume. Hopeson, ubekume. They say me Jalim put my reply. Ubekume.
Sabo
no ko fine. No ko fine. No ko tantalizer.
Last year by the
Benny Jimmy. Shani Jimmy B. Kwasea. What's not the whole radio station? See you booming kume. Upon all the punches I give you, you can't come out to explain yourself. You say one show back. Don't push me. Hopeson, don't push me. What say? And then I me. Because the first now we need crop work. And then I the only thing you can do is my channel. The only thing you can do is something nako Yoku. The only thing you can do is something nako GRA. What? And then I bet me you can't do foko. What I say? And you're beginning in ano. If you are the mafia work where you could do, but apart from that, no, would you make call police station? I will come back and fire you everywhere you take me to. Hopeson, trust me, the battle line has been drawn. We a penny Jimmy for Uniminyansa, we are Kwasea. No penny for being a miakasa. Also, I remember a video so in the Majamo. Why? Do you have a wife? Jimmy for Jimmy Kwasea Jimmy Penny Toto Penny Kwasea to say what to be considered radio so say me ba ho ayenhwe a giant be biabon say ne be yi wano a we your bab for me yiri say no ko fine Kwasea me say I have been gazetted no ko pressure no ko fine no ko afraid who afraid ya just come ne jai will be able trust me and then I mean can you kill me? You can't do foko, you can't do nothing. I'm ready for any your stupidity, motherfucker. I don't give a damn Hopeson. Jimmy, what's a crime now? Didn't neuro, I've make everybody to know, say, so Kwasea, no, but pony why not the women of Cromano, and you're powerless. Me knew one of Pewate, Kwasea. Me say me you no ko fine, no ko pressure, no ko tantalizer, no ko alarm shake, no ko mama parts, no ko Mrs. Siama, no ko evangelist Patricia, Mrs. Siama. Me say the name has been gazetted. It is my name, it is me. Anyone who will take that name, I will sue you, I will take you to court. Sia! That's how they go. Oma why na chesa simusuro Oma why na chesa simusuro susuro aboya kobu obi yere yankunu and the cry ye take you on na wo no ya boaje age wo yere title a abetna so ye mosa de ni bi Kwasea to yese kohwe wo ba bra be kirem Ubaba mu ana wawo no na wato na twene na wo nhwe no na ne maame de wo ne nam court no eno na kae se uba ye uba be kirim chibi kwa fa kwoti ya ufiri okọ Kwasea wo yere abo dwan kasa enko
na office and this year no on your 30 videos
you came to throw challenge to me say me your ba me mo di Hopeson and I me mo yiri din eno na me be ye the 30 videos to you Kwasea unsu atate no Hopeson afi na ba be so nsu Ensu atwatse no afi na ba be so da ma afo so ma hunhunum krom amemeka wo bi say the woman bo wato wache no and this time around between me and you I do see me I swear God between me and you I do see me I swear God Hopeson ujimi ketekete se ateti akoma wate ujimi and wa drink ketekete se ateti akoma siampa in
sorting me and my wife
na
beno but one
sorting me and my wife. Oh, who need you? Me say we yere spiritually wa nya yere. Me catch no pray. Spiritually wa nya yere. Spiritually de ye na yere no. Ono e na mami jai we yere ni dimbo. Me catch na wo aboa. Shimi fo wo yere.
So wife go can me catch dey say when your bar one year obeka dey no. Enye insult. Enye insult competition here go. I will not do that. Yes, I did just me.
And you Jimmy for pa because we demand baby atem Hopeson e wo Ghana ha say me na mama maka wonu atumo put sense into your head say me I am not going to allow you to insult any woman in this country I very also better say we did atem we be kan no kware me say me by the time I will finish to you you will repent by force stopping to insult prominent women in this country Kwasea mine
what we dey I don't tell me this one Mese kromha obia be body se mama
utbi nya she utbi nya foko
Agradaa
hey utbi nya foko utbi nya she do ba ye ne yam ya she I'm ready for everything so utbi tno mamu aboa utbi tno mamu se yamu obi nku no wo what the baby crying what the baby court I will face you I will come from the court and come and lash you that is me me say me did no ko fine no ko tantalizer no ko pressure Hopeson for wo jimi ekoda for Kwasea ko bani Penyah Kwasea Penyah jimi fo Penyah toto Penyah wonim nyansa boafunu wayere Kwasea kwa na me madanya ne na the gazetted no ko fine no ko tantalizer no ko alarm shake ma sorry a me ba be twi me senya pensu adware akwa adwuma mu a me koda sorry akote wuye kote kra wa bi te se Hopeson chimifuo bi na no nsuo na wato bada dem no masa fa uchemi fa Kwasea ko aboa woyere no ko fire no ko tantalizer no ko alarm shake hish alarm shake say yamoya you go cry tire aboa biba next time you respect Hopeson you go cry tire one company.
What I say? No go fine, no go pressure. Challenge accepted. Ofi here do obeye. What I say? O ka say mo di di what me do iri nyina tem. O sa go tell me kura na esa go try another challenge. Hopeson Adorye, I don't know yes sir. I don't know yes sir. E to be free there. E to nya ntwa ko say Hopeson. Abeye threat but Agradaa so I say why you ready? Why you ready for Hopeson Adorye? Osi obetwa ni say whom obetwa te nan. Yezo obetwa ma Hopeson enyu bi mfa ne nan wie no. Ensi. Kyerɛ adwen wɔ comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Agradaa.